What if I told you that every time you look at the world, you're not just observing reality, you're altering it, that with a single act of attention, you may be shaping the behavior of matter itself? It sounds unbelievable, but this idea sits at the very heart of modern physics. Today, we dive into the strange and mind-bending question: do we actually create reality? To explore this mystery, we must begin at the smallest levels of existence, where the rules of ordinary life no longer apply. In quantum mechanics, particles behave in ways so bizarre that they force us to rethink everything we believe about the world. One of the most shocking discoveries came from the double-slit experiment. Scientists wanted to know whether particles acted like tiny solid objects or like waves of energy. So they fired electrons toward a barrier with two slits. When no one observed the particles, they created a wave pattern, as if each electron moved through both slits at once. But the moment researchers tried to watch and measure which slit the particles passed through, the pattern changed. The electrons behaved like solid objects, choosing only one slit. The act of observing changed the outcome. Without observation, the universe remained in a cloud of possibilities. With observation, those possibilities collapsed into a single, definite event. This phenomenon is known as the observer effect, and it challenges our understanding of what is real. The question is, does this mean our awareness plays an active role in shaping the universe around us? Some physicists argue that observation simply means interaction or measurement, but others suggest something deeper, that consciousness itself may be involved. Physicist John Wheeler once proposed that we live in a participatory universe, where reality is not fully real until it's observed. In his view, we are not just passive spectators, but participants in the unfolding of existence. Imagine what this means on a larger scale. If particles behave differently under observation, could our awareness also influence events in our daily lives? Not in a magical sense, but in a deeply scientific one. Every moment of your life is full of possibilities. Your thoughts, expectations, and choices determine which possibilities you move toward. Your perception shapes your decisions. Your decisions shape your actions, and your actions shape your reality. In this sense, the observer effect is not only a quantum mystery, it is a psychological truth. When you expect failure, you behave in ways that lead to it. When you expect growth or opportunity, your mind becomes more open, your actions more courageous, and your world begins to shift. Your inner world influences your outer experience. What you focus on expands. You collapse possibilities with your attention, but the mystery deepens. Scientists and philosophers are beginning to question what consciousness truly is. Is it produced by the brain, or does the brain merely receive it? Some theories propose that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe, woven into the fabric of reality itself. If awareness is not limited to the brain, then the observer is not simply a person. It is the very presence that experiences life, and this presence may be involved in shaping the world it observes. This challenges a traditional view of a universe made of fixed, separate objects. Instead, reality may be fluid, relational, and responsive. You are not separate from the universe. You are embedded within it, influencing it in ways both visible and invisible. Every moment becomes a dance between what the universe offers and how you perceive it. So, do we create reality? Not entirely, but perhaps we co-create it. The universe provides infinite potentials. Our observation, awareness, and choices determine which potential become actual events in our lives. Reality is not a solid, static thing. It is alive, shifting, unfolding, and responding. This raises a powerful question. What reality are you choosing? Are you observing your life through fear, doubt, and limitation? Or through curiosity, courage, and possibility? Your focus matters. Your presence matters. Your attention acts like a lens through which reality takes shape. The observer effect is more than a scientific experiment. It is a reminder that your consciousness has influence. The world you experience is not simply a place you live in. It is a reflection of how you engage with it. You are part of the creative process. Every thought, every decision, every moment of awareness is shaping the path you walk. You are not merely watching reality unfold. You are participating in its creation. And whether you realize it or not, the universe is responding. Subscribe, like, and share your comments. Let us know what you feel about this video.